What's up everyone? In this video I will share with you my driving experience in Toyota Rav4 plug-in hybrid. I hope this will let you make up your mind in terms of potential buying decisions. Driving around the town is extremely easy because you have this upright sitting position, and in addition you can observe very easily everything what is happening on the road. Above that you have also very narrow turning circle. This makes this car so easy to drive through the town. However, you feel the size of the car, which is large. As soon as you get used to it, then it should be easy for you. I'm not quite sure if it's easy to park between places in the town, but you have very supportive cameras and sensors, so it should be very easy to do it. Car feel a little bit soft maybe, but you don't need SUV to be extremely hard. It shouldn't be a sport car. However, this car delivers 306 horsepower. In the executive version, you have all supportive systems you need. You have adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistant, blind spot monitoring. The mirrors, side mirrors are very nice. They are large. The head-up display is very helpful and it's very clear, easy to read, and it's one of the best on the market. I like the look of the steering wheel. It's modern and the buttons are precise, fine, really. Only maybe wish it's plenty of buttons. Well, I'm driving Tesla on every day, so I get used to this buttons-free layout, but I understand if you buying hybrid, you expect the transition between electric and combustion engine car. So then for sure it's a good way to get used to this kind of newer technology. I don't understand why we need to have so many buttons on the screen, and for me screen is popping up a bit too high. Today we have very strong wind, around 40 kilometers per hour. Definitely you can hear the wind sound around the roof and possibly the mirrors, but at this wind speed you will hear it in every car. Honestly, I can tell you that you don't hear the tire noise, and the sitting position is very comfy. The seats are very supportive and comfortable. You have lumbar support and they feel very nice. They feel very good. It is worth mentioning that Toyota Rav4 plug-in hybrid behaves a bit firm and has slightly sporty-oriented feeling, but only driving on the highways. However, driving around the town, you will cross the potholes in comfortable manners. It's worth noticing that Toyota can lean on the corners while driving on the runabouts. I would recommend the Toyota Rav4 PHEV to all audiences which appreciate reliability, comfort, interior quality, and interior space. This model is also very punchy on the road and gives a lot of satisfaction from driving. Comfort is balanced with sporty feeling, so Toyota owners might feel quite firm suspension, but BMW customers would say that suspension is leaning towards comfort zone. Toyota Sense safety systems will take care of our and pedestrian safety, and many intelligent systems are included in the standard version. This model is definitely not recommended for people which prefer smaller crossover SUVs such as Ford Kuga PHEV, which you can watch on my YouTube channel, and also is not preferable for people who prefer higher build quality and more plush feeling of interior, which we can see in more expensive vehicles such as BMW X545e. You can also watch it on my YouTube channel. I hope this video was useful for you. If yes, give it a like and let me know in the comments down below if the current Toyota Rav4 PHEV is a good choice to buy. For now, thank you very much for watching the video and I will see you next time.